G'day guys, Andrew from On Track. Well, we haven't done this one for a little bit and we're in early March at this stage. Well, I'll just take you for a quick walk through the workshop and show you what the boys are up to and what they're doing. So come with me. Obviously we've got a GR Sport Hilux here. Customer didn't want to lift it but wanted some wheels and tyres, so we opted it with some Method 305 double blacks with some 265 7017 Yokeys on that. Around the front, the boys have also been busy. We put an off-road animal full hooped bar on the front, no winch, as he doesn't do much with that sort of stuff, and some custom off-road bash plates underneath the car, just to keep some protection around things. Matty's here, he's busy as normal. He's a gun, this guy. What have you been doing, Matty? Like, you just want to give us a quick rundown on what you've been doing?
We've upgraded the springs in the rear, put some billet arms in the billet lower arms in the back. I think it's getting GVM, isn't it?
It is getting a GVM, yep, you're right. It's going up to a 4200 kilo GVM. We've done clear view mirrors on it with some Cat 6 indicators in it, so it all complies. We've also done some diff drops, I believe, under the back and front of this one. Locker override switch in the back as well, behind the rear trim before everything happens in the back area. So he'll finish this off and we'll bring you back to this as a completed product later. Maintenance, well, maintenance. As you can see, as they are getting older, they require more maintenance. He's up to his elbows in it today. So bushes, camber locking bolts for wheel alignment, ball joints, all those bits and pieces that we're starting to see wear and tear on the Y62. Aaron, give us a smile, mate. So, as you can see, look, this car's heavily used, so he'll, yeah, it gets a full workout. So, Sparky time. So, Daniel's been in this 300 series. He's fitting out the draw system from Tanami Off-Road. So, we like these systems, full aluminium. They work a treat. They're quiet, they're nice, they're neat, they're built to perfection, I should say. Yeah, he's putting inverter in, the 200 amp lithium battery from Enerdrive, Enerdrive inverter, 2000 watt inverter in that. So some auxiliary points, solar panel up on the roof, lighting up on the roof rack. So he's busy doing that. And yeah, follow me. We got lucky last. This one here, well, we've got a 200 series Land Cruiser. It's done already a half lap around the country, I should say. It's in for some maintenance. Same thing, maintenance. Keep up with it, guys, because it will find you at some stage and you will be left somewhere. But this thing here, we are chasing a noise, a mystery noise. So we're going through that process of elimination. Is it shocks? Is it bushes? Is it sway bar? Is it the KDSS? So we're going through that and we'll try and find that one out. We'll progress with that one and give you an update on what we find in that. But if you see anything in the shop that you like or you need a hand with or anything like that, reach out to the guys, 9310 7755. Shoot us an email, sales@ontrack4x4.com, and yeah, we'll get back to you. All right, guys, well, we're talking about maintenance here. Obviously, we did a little bit of maintenance, which you saw probably a few weeks ago on the GQ. The boys have talked me into, hey, Andrew, put a radiator in it. We don't know how old it is, and what a surprise it was. So we got a genuine Celsonic radiator for this thing, which we put into the car. The guys at Patrol Apart were great enough to help us with that, because I believe it was the last one in existence. But I was so surprised when we pulled the original radiator out. Have a look at this. The radiator, when we pulled it out, was covered in dirt and feathers and all sorts of stuff in there from debris. Obviously, it is the original radiator that come in the car. And as you can see, it's all rotted out. So this is one of those things that quite easily gets missed during maintenance, whether it be with mud or whether it be dirt, debris, road grime, all that sort of stuff. Don't neglect the radiator and cooling system. As we know, TD42s are so susceptible to getting hot. So one thing that sort of leads us to radiator issues and stuff like that is vehicles that get hot predominantly at freeway speeds and higher engine speeds. Basically, it's because it can't get the airflow through the radiator, whether it being blocked or is suffering from actually cooling because of all this sort of stuff like corrosion and decay over the years. Basically, this is something that we do. This is what we do in the workshop. This is something we do on a day-to-day basis. If you've got any doubts about cooling system, radiator, etc., get in touch with us at sales@ontrack4x4.com or ring the shop 9310 7755. And yeah, we'll be more than happy to look at it.